get into a comfortable seated position. Don't get too comfortable. We don't want you falling asleep just yet. And I'm going to get my timer going so it has a bell sound. That would be nice. And just put your hands on your knees or resting in your lap. Sit up tall. Close the eyes. And we'll start just with the sound of the bell. So just simply hear the sound of the bell. And for today, let's really take this time to hold ourselves in compassion, to cultivate this unconditional friendliness and kindness towards wherever we're at in this moment. And maybe we're feeling relaxed and happy and things are going well. Maybe we're grieving a loss. Maybe we're feeling disappointed that we're not doing all the things we had hoped during this time. Maybe we're feeling lonely, missing our friends and family. Maybe we're grieving the past, how things were. Maybe we're just stressed, frustrated. But think of your awareness as either a mother or a grandmother, just this loving being holding you as you are. So your awareness is this loving attention. And it's just kind of giving who you are in this moment, who you've been during this whole pandemic. Just this all embracing, all accepting hug. You know, and that it's okay. It's okay. It's okay to be where you are. That loving awareness is wide enough, big enough, spacious enough to hold every part of ourselves, even the ugly parts, the painful parts, the places that scare us. It can hold our imperfections. It can hold our failures and mistakes. And it can love us anyway. And see what it's like to hold yourself without judgment. Without shame, without guilt. And as I told my friend, you can kind of say to yourself, the door of my heart is always open to you. And that's you talking to yourself. The door of my heart is always open. No matter what you do, no matter how many times you mess up, no matter how many times you get stuck, you're still welcome here. I still accept you. And I still hold you in compassion anyway. It's not easy being a human being. It's not easy being in a pandemic. You're doing your best. And it is enough. It is enough. And just feel the ease in that. And maybe just putting a hint of a smile on your lips. Sometimes that just has a tremendous effect on the body and mind. And we're not pretending that things are fine. We're honoring that things aren't fine. We're embracing our humanity. And we're loving our humanity together. Right? It's shared. So as we hold ourselves in this unconditional loving kindness, we also hold each other. In silence, we're all interconnected. There is no separation as we sit here together. We're all here now. We're all resting in the same stillness and loving awareness. So let's hold ourselves, let's hold each other, let's hold the whole world as it is in this spacious mind and this kind heart. Allow yourself to be at ease. Allow yourself to relax. Right now, you're safe. Right now, things are all right. You can hold this. You can open to this. one moment at a time, one breath at a time. Now this. In a moment, the bell will ring again. Just simply hear the sound, let it pass through. Just a reminder that everything in life is like that bell. It arises, stays around for a while, and then it goes away. So just keep that in mind. And before we open our eyes, let's bring our hands to our heart center, or hand or hands. And just keeping in mind that we're not the only ones going through this, that the entire world is. Everybody, literally everybody. There's no one outside of this. So we're not suffering alone. We're all in this together. So we end by sending out a wish of loving kindness that all of us are healthy, are safe, and at ease in body and mind. So why don't we take a deep breath together in the nose, out the mouth. You can release the hand, and when you're ready, slowly open the eyes.